Yo, what's going on? So this video is super late, not gonna lie. I just really didn't end up getting all the footage that I wanted to get from the video, so it just took me longer to make, unfortunately. But we did get 25 pounds this tournament, and I had a dude, Andrew, fish with me. I don't know, I ain't gonna speak for him, but he didn't throw spinner baits a lot. I told him to throw one, he ended up just smacking him on it. We tried a couple other baits, chatter baits, some kind of more finessey baits. It just wasn't getting it done. These fish was really, it's more about power fishing, cover water. This right here was my bait of choice. I don't know if y'all can see that. This is a Mega Bass spinnerbait, 1/2 ounce. You could throw this with a trailer or just by itself. I've heard people have been getting a lot of bites without no trailer. Throw it without a trailer, you can throw it with a trailer, either or is fine. This right now, I would argue that this is one of the best bass fishing baits for the month of, what is that, March? And then beginning of April. I don't know how it's going to be this tournament we got coming up on the 21st, because it's just going to be a lot hotter. The past 2 weeks, well, the week prior to this tournament, it's going to be almost 70, 80 degrees every day. So that water temp is definitely going to rise up. And I don't know. I'm excited, though, because the res is fishing really good. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. And let me know, are you throwing spinnerbait this time of year?
One. Warm.
You straight, man. We'll get warm.
Come on, big boy.
Hey.
Going.
That's 14.
That's 14, baby. That's 14.
That's what I'm talking about, big dog. Yeah. I guess we have been feeling bites. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Let me get this rolling so I can get the viral started.
You sure that's 14?
Yeah, he looked
I was gonna say, where's your
real quick. God damn it. Happy you caught it, but now we gotta get this fucking viral started.
I need to be inside there.
That's how we feeling this morning, baby.
Hey,
That's what I'm talking about.
We gotta start. I'm just trying to get my. Thank God I got a scale. Well, I sat there and I was like, you know, I'm looking and I'm like, dude, it's a fucking point in the pocket. I was like, there has to be a fish there. I was like, there's gotta be. Like, there's no reason why there ain't a fish there. No, you're good. That's just not right. I knew it. That's a good one. Oh, shit. Let's go, Eddie.
Look. Well, that's, hey, on the phone, I was like, look, you don't need all the rods, man. Once you get one on the rod, it's it. You know what I'm saying? You don't need shit else.
Dude, that thing fucking smoked it off.
That's a 5 for sure.
Nah, he's like a 4.
Man, I don't know. Well, yeah. Now you pull him up.
He's a 4. But we're going in the right direction. Dude, you see how close that thing hit to the boat?
It's funny too.
It's retarded, man. They engulf it. Like every time I'll have a chatterbait fish, it's in. That's a net.
That's a fish.
He's right there.
Bring him this way.
That's another 3-4 pounder right there. There we go.
Hey man, you know, look, I just like to say, you know, I'll put you in the places to get catch for you know what I mean? I just stop throwing my spinnerbait, man, so you can get some love, man.
No, dude, keep throwing your spinnerbait, man.
Look at the belly on out. That's a probably 3 pounder, I think.
That's a 3.
So we got about.
Dude, look at the spots.
Oh yeah, we're definitely hitting this area again.
Yeah.
Huh? It should seem a little deeper.
Really? job, buddy. That's keep. Oh,
Hey, that'll work.
shit, man. You're on the board.
Set it to, let it sink for just a couple more seconds.
Well, I will tell you with this spinnerbait here, man, you want to be contacting bottom. Make sure she's 14 first.
I get my hopes up. Just talking about, oh, I don't want to fish my first fish.
Just make sure you get back to fishing. You're on the board.
I'm on the board. I said we trust us so much.
Hey, it's a team effort. Oh, that looks like a good one.
Oh, I keep the binkies all the time.
You set that hook. That's fucking hard again.
Oh.
You set the hook like she's a giant.
You never know. I don't discriminate. You know?
I can tell.
Well, you see how I'm helping, you know what I mean? I needed that though. You know what I'm saying?
You needed that for some moral support.